Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we will be reviewing Kakegurui Twin manga, and I will be telling you guys, is this manga worth your time and should you read it. But before that, please consider subscribing to my channel as I will be uploading more anime and manga reviews just like this. And with that out of the way, let's get started, shall we? So let me first make you guys familiar with the manga if you are new to the series. Kakegurui Twin is a prequel to Kakegurui Compulsive Gambler manga, that is Yumiko's story. If you have watched the anime Kakegurui, then this is the prequel to that anime. Kakegurui Twin follows Saotome Mary's story, tells us about her story and struggle in Hyakko Academy. Mary comes from a very ordinary family and she starts attending Hyakko Academy by passing a transfer examination. There she meets her childhood friend Hanatemari Suzura. She teaches Mary everything about the academy and every law regarding the gambling in the school. Together they both decides to become winners. The art style is just as good and clean as the Kakegurui manga. Every expression on character's face is just as well drawn as you might expect from Kakegurui series. Mind game in the series are just as well done and the tension just keeps piling up until the very end, and it keeps you excited and guessing until the very end. Kakegurui Twin introduces a whole new cast of characters, but the characters in Kakegurui do return in some part as a supporting characters. The relationship and friendship between Suzura and Mary is fun to watch as Mary is only close to Suzura. As how they get so close to each other, I won't spoil that for you, so you have to read the manga to find that out. And I think I am enjoying Kakegurui Twin a little more than I enjoyed Kakegurui. Don't get me wrong, Kakegurui is amazing too in its own way. It's just that I don't feel any tension while I'm reading Kakegurui, as he's a compulsive gambler. She's confident and she's overpowered when it comes to gambling. We all know she ain't gonna lose no matter what. And I know that is the charm of Kakegurui. But when it comes to Kakegurui Twin, Mary won't be winning every game. She will lose not once, not twice, but many times. You won't be able to guess when she is going to win or lose, no matter how confident she is. That makes you keep reading more and more to find out what's going to happen next. We also get to know more about Mary and her character, as we don't get to see much of her in Kakegurui. To those who have just watched the anime and are a fan of Mary, you should really consider reading this manga. Kakegurui Twin manga will also be getting a live action adaptation this year. For more updates on that, follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description. I will keep you informed on that there. And all, if you are a fan of Kakegurui and are looking for more Kakegurui action, then you have to give this one a try. I will give Kakegurui Twin a 9 out of 10 and will highly recommend you guys to check it out. While not getting much into technical aspects of things, the manga is pretty enjoyable and I suggest you guys to read it. Well, that concludes my review for Kakegurui Twin. If this video helped you to consider reading the manga, please consider subscribing to my channel, as I will be uploading more anime and manga reviews just like this. And do follow me on Instagram, as I upload every anime and manga news there. The link will be in the description. And as always, thanks for watching.
I'm losing my innocence, and you don't know my intent. And now you better